that I moved on in, turn the page, you're coming back around and you wanna play, forget everything is true. So please you, eventually I came to conclude that we're through. You say you just wanna move on, for me too. And now that I have found my match, it's killing you. You reach out to me and I turn away. They hit you up inside that I'm okay. You should be happy that things turned out fine, but that you wanna hang me on the line. You wanted, but you threw it away. I gave you what you needed, but you didn't stay. And now that I've moved on in, turn the page, you're coming back around and you wanna play with me.